Have you ever wondered about the profound impact of the simple act of listening? Listening, not just with your ears, but with your entire being. Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, emphasized this simple act as a path to spiritual growth. Let us delve into his teachings and understand the significance of this seemingly ordinary act. Guru Nanak said, "Nanak's devotees are always in bliss, for they listen, and in listening they find the destruction of all their sorrows and sins." He emphasized the act of listening as a form of devotion, a path to spiritual enlightenment. This is not the superficial listening we engage in daily life, but a profound, deep listening, a complete surrender to the divine sound. He spoke of listening to the wisdom of the sages, the teachings of the Holy Scriptures, the rhythms of the universe. He believed that in truly listening, one could attain peace, knowledge, and even liberation from the cycle of birth and death. But what does it mean to truly listen? Guru Nanak suggests that true listening involves not just hearing with our ears, but comprehending with our minds and absorbing with our souls. It is a state of complete openness to the divine will, free from the clutter of our personal biases and preconceived notions. He said, "Listen to the truth, contentment, and wisdom. Listen as if bathing in the holy waters." This implies that listening, in Guru Nanak's perspective, is not a passive act but an active engagement. It is a cleansing process, washing away ignorance and fostering wisdom. But how do we achieve this state of true listening? According to Guru Nanak, it requires a sense of humility, a willingness to learn, and an openness to change. We must be willing to let go of our preconceived notions, our rigid beliefs, and our egos. Only then can we truly open ourselves to the divine wisdom that is always available to us, if only we choose to listen. In conclusion, Guru Nanak's teachings invite us to explore the transformative power of listening. He encourages us to listen with an open heart, to engage with the world around us, and to open ourselves to the divine wisdom that pervades our universe. He assures us that in this act of listening, we will find bliss, knowledge, and liberation from our sorrows and sins. So, the next time you find yourself in the hustle and bustle of life, take a moment to pause, to listen, to truly engage with the world around you. Who knows, you might just find a piece of the divine wisdom that Guru Nanak spoke of, waiting for you to discover.